Hello, lovely peeps. Well, it's been 8 days since I've been out of the house, so I'm very happy that I'm able to go outside now. So here I am, rainy Ireland, but I'm still here, sitting on the park bench wearing a raincoat, so doing what I love, a bit of sketching, trees. So I'll scan around and show you the place where I am. Just here, lovely trees, small park, but lovely trees. Hope that worked. Back to me, and here's the bit of sketching that I'm doing. Tree. So I hope whatever you're up to today, that just remember now, do something you love, one thing, just whatever it is, even if it's only for a few minutes. Even if you're stuck in the house, just try to choose that one thing and just go for it, and enjoy yourself, and have a good day, and I'll see you all soon. All the best. Bye.